Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a CMD Overloader virus using Notepad. So friends, this is a very simple virus you can create easily. So friends, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Notepad. I'm going to opening Notepad++ because I have it, but you can use Notepad or any typing tools. So friends, here you need to write this. This is a very simple code. You can easily write it. This is not very hard one or very complicated. This start, go to A, and friends, this is it. This is a very simple 4-line code, and save it. I'm gonna saving it on my desktop. So here friends, you need to save it any name you want. I'm gonna giving it name like virus. And here friends, this is the very important step. You need to enter extension, I mean the file type. You have to define it. So its file type will be a batch file. So here friends, you need to add this virus.bat. .bat is must. Name could be anything, but you have to put this one .bat and then save it. Here it is friends. You see this icon is different, and when I'm gonna double clicking on this or opening this one, my computer will crash. I'm gonna demonstrate this now. So friends, keep on watching. Here we are friends, we will be opening this one. So let's open it. Open. And here friends, I can't even record this one because my recorder will be stopped, and you can see CMD is opening infinitely and it won't stop. You can stop it anyway. And let's just try opening task manager, maybe that will help you. Let's see. Task manager, and here friends, you can see cmd.exe is opening and opening. You have to kill it all, but my cursor is really bad now. My RAM is drained, and this is it friends. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe to our channel and help us grow.